Fast-paced, Elon Musk wants to nuke Mars. He said it publicly, multiple times. Drop thermonuclear weapons on the poles, melt the ice, thicken the atmosphere, turn the red planet green. Slow down drastically. There's just one problem. NASA did the math, and the math says it's impossible. Not hard, not decades away. Actually physically impossible with what's on that planet. Fast pace. Here's why everyone gets this wrong. Mars used to have a thick atmosphere, liquid water, rivers, even an ocean. We know because the rovers found the dried up riverbeds. So the logic seems simple. Release the gas that's still trapped in the rocks and ice caps, thicken the air back up, and boom, Mars breathes again. In 2018, scientists Bruce Jakosky and Christopher Edwards published a study in Nature Astronomy that actually inventoried this. They asked, how much CO2 is realistically accessible on Mars today? The answer is nowhere near enough. Even if you released every single molecule of CO2 trapped in the polar caps, in the soil, in mineral deposits, you'd only get Mars's atmospheric pressure up to about 7% of Earth's. That's not thin air you need a mask for. That's still functionally a vacuum to a human lung. So why is there a gap so massive between used to be habitable and can't even get close now? Think of Mars's atmosphere like a balloon with a slow leak. Mars lost its global magnetic field roughly 4 billion years ago. Without that magnetic shield, the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles blasting from the sun, just stripped the atmosphere away into space, atom by atom, for billions of years. NASA's MAVEN spacecraft literally measured this happening in real time, clocking atmospheric loss rates and confirming solar wind erosion as the main culprit. So the gas didn't all hide underground waiting for us. Most of it left the solar system entirely. You can't unerode a planet. You can't refill a balloon that's been leaking for 4 billion years by squeezing what's left inside it. This is the part influencers conveniently skip. "We'll just warm it up" sounds inspiring in a tweet. It collapses the second you check the actual gas inventory. So what's the actual evidence-based plan? Forget planet-scale terraforming. Real Mars science is pointing towards something far smaller, far smarter: para-terraforming. Instead of changing an entire planet, you build sealed, pressurized habitats, domes, lava tube colonies, underground structures, and terraform a few square kilometers at a time. Researchers have specifically proposed Martian lava tubes as ready-made radiation shelters. They're massive natural tunnels, already shielded from cosmic radiation by meters of solid rock. Free infrastructure, already built by ancient volcanic activity. The second real strategy? ISRU, in situ resource utilization. Don't ship resources from Earth. Pull water ice and CO2 directly from the Martian environment to make fuel, oxygen, and building material on site. NASA's MOXIE experiment on the Perseverance rover already proved this works, generating breathable oxygen straight from the Martian atmosphere. Small, sealed, self-sufficient, not a green planet. Pressurized pockets of survival. Slow down drastically. So, no, Mars is not becoming Earth 2 in our lifetime or our children's lifetime. The atmosphere we'd need left this solar system before humans existed. What we're actually building isn't a second planet. It's a series of life rafts on a planet that's still trying to kill you.